Hello guys, this is how I make my Ghana black soap. As you can see, this is the Ghana black soap. This is pure Ghana black soap. It has not been mixed with anything. Now this is my turmeric. I finished grading it. This is what's called turmeric. In case of those that do not know what is called turmeric, this is turmeric. But I graded it with the back. No need of peeling the outer part of it. Just incorporate it there. These other ingredients I've already put it here to mix with it. This now is cinnamon. Cinnamon, it has been grounded already. Then you can see Burberry here. This is Burberry. This is Burberry. It is sandalwood. This is red berry. And this is Snow White. And normally I want to tune my skin a bit. This Snow White and this kojic powder. Now the first thing we do, and this is lemon. I normally use lemon to do it. Now the first thing, and this lemon, it has already been squeezed already, just to bring out that they've already bring out the water. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to pour the lemon. I'm trying to bring out the juice from the turmeric. I won't put much of the lime water because of I don't want the soup to be that liquid. I want it to be a bit thick. So that is why I'm trying to watch out the amount of lime I add to it. You can do this process if you don't have the dry turmeric. You can just buy those ones in the market. Those fresh ones, and you grade it. Those fresh ones, it comes in this. I'm done. I'm done sieving. And the next step now is to remove the nylon from the Ghana black soap. When you're done squeezing, sieving the water, the turmeric water with the lime juice, you cut the soap into tiny pieces before you double boil. Cutting the soap will enable the soap to dissolve. That solid soap you saw has dissolved. Then you add your lemon juice and turmeric. I have to stir, then pour it inside the black soap, and I have to stir very well. So in the process of mixing it, I will add my ingredient, my sandalwood, my Burberry. It will dissolve. Don't worry about the Burberry to dissolve. Then my cinnamon powder. Then my red berry will go inside, kojic powder, and my Snow White. The skin will be glowing by the time you use it for a week, to be glowing. Now I'm done mixing. So the next thing to do is you bring out any container of your choice that you will use in pouring it, and you pour it inside. Your soap is ready to use.